They don't know how deep it is from the camera. Go run. Go run right off the brick. Come on.
I want to do this.
Oh my god! Go get the dogs. I want to see how they react. Come on, they gotta come in.
Post this on Facebook.
Just so everyone watching this knows, this, which is straight ahead, is actually a step when you go farther down. And there's another step, someone down there, I'm not going in. I could barely see you, hurry up.
That was so funny.
Is he coming?
Yeah. The dog.
Oh, come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come to mommy. Oh, come on. Come on, you got it. Come on, babies. Come on in.
Come on.
Oh.
Let's go. Mama,